Guys, me and my friend are in my house. Say hi, bro.
Hi, we're playing Uno.
Yeah, we're gonna play Uno, but we don't have the real Uno. We have Picados. Picados.
Whoever loses will give some. Whoever loses,
Has to get backshotted.
no, give money.
Nah,
Just kidding.
I'm saving up, brother. I'm saving up.
I'm saving up for a freaking guitar and a billiards.
Will anyone notice my no haircut?
What, bro? Bro,
You look like that one guy from a movie called. You look like that one guy from a movie called What Lies Beneath Anton.
What the frick?
Nah, no swearing. This is family friendly.
I mean, frick.
Still.
You are freaking dumb to play this game, maybe.
Well, yeah. So I don't know where to put my camera. It just
Come here, guys. Come here. Hello, guys. So you can.
please make it. Wait, that's kind of perfect. So yeah.
So you have a perfect shot, guys. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look, what's how much are you? 4, 4, 5, 5, 6,
Guys, here's my card.
7, 7.
You didn't saw the numbers anyways. Am I correct?
No, I saw it. 10, 11, 12, 13,
No.
13, 14.
My numbers. They're all aligned. They're all the same.
14, 14,
One drop,
15,
a few drops, and I win.
16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20, 21, 22,
Here's my card.
21, 22,
Tama, no. Smooth.
23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26,
Guys, who do you think is gonna win this battle? Comment
28, 29, 29.
me or my friend Ran Ran. So yeah, comment down below who is gonna win.
30, 31, 31, 32, 33,
Bro, stop!
34, 35, 35.
POB, one guy getting unlimited coupon.
37, 38, 38, 39, 39, 40, 40.
Bro, tama na.
Guys, so we each have 40 cards. Bilang it, bilang. Count it, bro.
Bro, finally I got some plus twos.
Me too. I only got one.
I got all besides yours. Good luck, bro. You know what?
I'll do.
I'm a show.
Oh, no.
Nope.
It's mine.
Yeah, fair enough.
It's mine.
Yeah, fair
It's
enough.
mine. 1, 2, 3. The other
Uy!
3.
6, 7, 6, 7.
As if we get us to 1 million subscribers, we will give you 1 million.
That's literally too hard. At least just get us to 100. I mean, I'm not humble, bro.
Why is showing it? Oh, yeah, just show it.
I mean, if I'm gonna flip it like this would be even more harder. Gambling right
4,
now.
5, 6, 7, 8. I have my 8 plus 2s.
But the flip it did my cheese, girl.
10. 10's over here. 4's over here. Let's put the 4.
Okay.
The 6 over here.
So,
Oh my.
yeah, guys, I need you to take a look of what me and Ran's doing.
Yeah.
These things are my cards, these, and those are his.
Sorry guys for waiting for long, cause we have so much cards.
Yeah, this dumb guy decided to put 40.
You mean? Yeah. Oh yeah, I did.
Okay, can
Look at here. Cards there.
While you wait, I'ma just draw. Okay, green,
Just gonna put everything here.
green.
Let's put everything here. Where's that? Where's that? Over here?
No, this is the start. Green. Okay.
Just put it the start here.
Oh my god.
The start there.
Okay, this is the all color rainbows. What's your draw, brother?
I don't have a draw. So remains +2. +2. +2 means
You have
+2.
I have no. Actually, how many you have?
5, 6 more.
The thing that I have, is the thing. The only thing I have is the things that are in my hand are literally not in the perfection.
Bro, go faster.
Well,
Sorry guys.
+2.
Oh my god. I'm gonna draw. Just kidding. +2. What's the draw? What's the drawing thing? Draw. What's the draw?
You put it on top.
What draw? The draw.
Yeah, it's on the hand.
Where the? Sorry guys for the drawing thing.
Just don't bother smelling these clothes.
Sorry guys. Sorry. Konnichiwa. Thank you. Oh, sorry. Oh my god. Sorry guys for wait, where are you? What are you guys? +2.
How many you have?
Actually, remove the other one. Get that thing. Let's put. Oh my god.
+2.
+2. Wait, let me see that.
Yeah, whatever I do, you win the +2s. Because you have 3, am I correct? You wasted 1. So once I draw a +2, you have 2, and then I have 1.
Actually, later for this too. I'm gonna go faster. Okay.
+2. How many you have exactly?
Oh.
You fell for it. That's not even a +2, y'all.
You.
This was my +2, brother.
You put another one. That one. Give me that one.
Well, this is my bro. I already drawed.
No, that one actually.
Bro,
That's
I
your
already
+2.
drawed.
No, you didn't. There you go.
Brother.
No.
Fine. How many cards do you have exactly?
I have another 2. 2 twos.
Bro, this is what I drawed. So, another +2.
2.
Never mind, bring out my other +2. So, it's technically, now I draw.
Oh my god, another +2.
You have, that's the last one.
No, this is the +2.
Draw. You're out.
Get it.
Nah. You're out.
Oh my god, how much is that?
Show it to the camera, bro. Look at how many +2s we are drawing. Brother, nah. Show it to the camera. Bro, we drawed so much +2s right now.
Sorry guys for all the +2s and for waiting, as we are so
I don't know
low
if
and-
this is even possible.
Can I join guys? Sure. Then if when we finish.
Okay, anyways, where's the deck?
Guys, he said dick.
I said deck.
He said dick.
Where's the deck anyways?
Sorry guys for him.
What did I do?
What did I do?
What did I do?
What did I do?
Since we don't have a deck, how's bro gonna draw?
4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 25.
Since we don't have a deck, you gotta.
Wait, that's the freaking
No.
button.
This is my cards. What happened?
We start. Sorry guys, we start. Restart. Ano video? Can you upload that? Upload. Please.
Nope. We just take a short break. Nope. We're gonna make a part 2 soon. So I hope you enjoy. See?
And another player.
Like and subscribe, y'all.
Peace.
Peace.